Hey everyone, it's Rob from Hypop and welcome back to another video. In this one, we're looking at how to install and use the height conversion kit for the Easiframe Cyclorama backdrop system. So here is the conversion kit and that's what it comes in. It comes in this mailing tube here and there's a few pieces inside. And what you'll see is there's a single segment on the floor here from the Easiframe curved, and that is converted into a few different pieces here, which I'll show you. So we're doing one side here, and we have 3 pieces from the height conversion kit that will substitute the single piece here on the end of the Easiframe. This piece here is a 500mm piece, that's a 250mm piece, and that's a 250mm piece. And what we can do is, without the need of changing your skin for the Easiframe curved, we can remove some length from the bottom here, then add it to the height if you need more height, or remove it from the height and add it to the length if you need more floor space for your Easiframe curved. So we'll go through the setup now with the Allen key provided. So what we're essentially doing is the current floor space for the default configuration of the Easiframe curved is 1945mm and 2145 at the back. What we'll do now is remove 250mm from the bottom using the height conversion kit, and then adding that 250mm to the height. All doing this by still using the same Easiframe curve skin. So we have this last segment here that will now be attaching to the height to extend this up by 250mm. So you can see we have now added 250mm to the height of the Easiframe curved by substituting this 1 meter piece with 3 segments here. Now, one thing to take note of is if you notice a bend on the bottom segment here, what you need to do is just increase the height of the stands on your freestanding adapter, or push the stand slightly up against the wall to ensure that the bend is reduced and it's flat along the floor here. So that was just one segment that we've used to extend the height. You can also do that with the second shorter segment to extend this a further 250mm, just depending if you need more separation from the background and your subject, and where you need your subject to stand on the backdrop. Or as an example, for pet photographers, you can have a longer floor sweep and have a shorter height, so you can have the 2 segments extend the length along the ground. The Easiframe backdrop Cyclorama system is a versatile system, so you can see we've reduced the length along the ground to increase the height using this brand new height conversion kit. So for more videos just like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell to be updated of any new content we release. Leave a like on the video if it's helped you. Feel free to leave down in the comment section below your thoughts, or if you have any questions about the height conversion kit. Follow us on socials, the links are down below, and visit our website, hypop.com.au.